Lamb. I'm the training director for the Lincoln Electrical JATC. Basically, my job duties handling the day-to-day operations of the Electrical Apprenticeship Office, which can include anything from, recruitment, bookkeeping, managing instructors, making sure they have all the material they need, continuing ed, laundry list of things that we do. So the JATC is a collaboration between the IBEW and NECA, which is the International Brotherhood of Electrical Workers, the labor side, and then NECA is the National Electrical Contractors Association, which is the management side. It's a collaborative effort between the two parties to create a training program used across, not only in Lincoln, Nebraska, but all across the United States. Have almost 280 other training programs just like ours. We work with the Electrical Training Alliance, and that's where this partnership came from. They approached us and said, hey, we have a grant available if this is something you're interested in. So getting the instructors the tools that they need. So there's, we'll have, with this new building, the new building will house basically just classroom space. There'll be 7 classrooms, actually 8 classrooms in there. And then the existing training center, they're going to remodel the bottom floor. They'll remodel about half of the building. On the first floor, the upstairs gets completely gutted and creates lab space. So then part of the other things that we might utilize that money for is to equip those labs with the proper tools, the meters, different things like that would be needed, to be used inside those classrooms or in the lab spaces. The schools and the counselors have gotten much better than when I first started. I mean, when I first started, there was only a few schools. You drop information off, hey, I'd like to talk to some students, and they're just like, yeah. And I know as soon as I walk out the door, it was kind of tossed in the trash. There is definitely much more interest in it. These kids, they understand they have some options, and we're not all made for college, and that's okay. Here's a way for them to get that education and get paid for it. When they come into our program, and one of the things I really try to impress upon these new students is they're in control of their future in this industry. It's not me, it's not the guy working next to them, it's not even their employer. I mean, it's them. They control it. If they're somebody who's engaged, wanting to learn, self-motivated, somebody that the employer can count on to be there, they can really write their own meal ticket. They really can. I mean, they're in the driver's seat, and it's so after 4 years of education, they're going to make $100,000, and there's not too many college opportunities, after 4 years for a college student to make that kind of money and not have any student loan debt. I mean, virtually none whatsoever. I mean, they have tuition that covers the cost of their books each year, and that covers all their books and their online coursework for the year, and everything else. All the instructors with salaries, their tuition. We actually have an articulation agreement with the community college in our area for these students to be able to get an associate's degree when they complete our 4-year program. If you're a person that enjoys working with your hands, you like to problem solve, not afraid of hard work, your willingness to want to learn new things, this really may be a viable option. Apprenticeship may be a really good fit for you. Now, again, I'm with the electricians, and so I'm going to be a little bit biased towards them, but any of these building construction apprenticeship programs, they're all awesome.